Hey, my name is Charlotte. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about GE knob burner TRI Chrome part WB03X10316. The GE knob burner Trichrome part WB03X10316 is a replacement part for GE range cooktops. It is a chrome-plated plastic knob that fits onto the front of the range and controls the heat settings of the burners. The knob has 3 settings: low, medium, and high. It also has a red indicator light that illuminates when the burner is on. This part is compatible with many GE ranges, including models JGP329 Set 1SS, JGP333 Set 1SS, JGP633 Set 1SS, and JGP636 Set 1SS. It is easy to install and comes with all necessary hardware for installation. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is used to replace a worn or damaged knob on a stove burner. It can fix symptoms such as a knob that is difficult to turn, does not stay in place, or is cracked or broken. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by turning off the power to the stove at the circuit breaker. 2. Remove the existing knob by pulling it straight off of the stem. 3. Insert the new knob onto the stem and turn it clockwise until it is secure. 4. Turn on the power to the stove at the circuit breaker and test that the new knob is working properly. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.